To help ensure that future generations continue to thrive on our blue planet, we must innovate to save natural resources. We must shift to a circular economy, and there's no time to lose. At Tarkett, we began our circular journey in the late 1950s and accelerated 1 decade ago. Using cradle-to-cradle principles, we eco-design our flooring with healthier recycled materials and make them easy to recycle. Our EcoBase carpet tile backing has been designed for disassembly from the outset. That's why we're closing the loop on carpet tiles through groundbreaking technology at our recycling centre in the Netherlands and a pioneering partnership with Aquafill. We've created a unique way to separate yarn with more than 95% purity from carpet backing, overcoming complex technical challenges. In this way, we create 2 streams of materials that can be recycled and transformed into high-quality resources for new products. Firstly, we can recycle our EcoBase carpet backing indefinitely at our own production line with no loss of quality. Secondly, we send polyamide 6 yarn to our trusted partner Aquafill for recycling into 100% regenerated EcoNeil yarn, again with no loss of quality. In addition, we ensure that other carpet components from our own or competitors' products, such as bitumen backing or polyamide 6.6 yarn, are recycled now or in the future. It doesn't end there. To make it happen, we need the help of our partners and customers to join our Restart Take Back program. Our customers can send us their old carpet tiles and we'll take care of the rest. That's why we're proud to be the only carpet maker in Europe to fully close the loop. We love rubbish. To us, it's a precious resource.